First thing you want to do is add the indicator to your chart. I'm using a platform called tradingview.com. So once you're on there, go to the indicator section and type in parabolic SAR plus EMA 200 plus MACD signals. That indicator combines parabolic SAR, stop and reverse, EMA 200, and MACD to give you clear buy and sell signals based on trends. But to use it in our strategy, we gotta change the settings. So click the settings button next to the name. Then under inputs, change SAR increment to 0.002. Change fast length to 14 and slow length to 28. Changing style is optional. Alright, so if you want to trade just using this indicator, first wait for a buy signal. Once you get that, make sure the candlestick closes above the moving average line. If so, that buy signal is legit and you can take a long trade. And same deal for a short. Wait for a sell signal, then confirm with a candlestick closing below the moving average line. If it closes below, that sell signal is valid and you can short the asset. But if you want to use this strategy in all kinds of markets, even sideways ones, we gotta add some extra tools to increase our win rate and make it work on all time frames. Alright, now we gotta add the range filter indicator from the indicator section to our chart. But before we use the range filter indicator, we need to make some changes. So click the settings icon for the range filter indicator and under inputs, change EMA length to 100, then uncheck the show EMA option. You can also change the indicator's appearance from the style section if you want. The range indicator filter helps us identify areas where the market is moving sideways, so we can avoid losing in this market range. For example, in this case, the market has been consolidating and two signals have been issued within this area, one sell signal and one buy signal. With the range identifier, we can identify and filter these signals and thereby prevent loss of capital. Now, pay close attention to the following examples to better understand how useful this indicator can be. Now for the next indicator, we need to add the squeeze momentum indicator to the chart. After adding the indicator, we should optimize it for use in this strategy. So in the settings under style, change the colors for plot 1 like the video and then disable plot 2. Then go to Inputs, set BB length to 14, BB multifactor to 3, and KC length to 7. Now the indicator is ready for use in this strategy. So, when the histogram of the indicator is positive, it can confirm a buy signal, and when it's negative, it can confirm a sell signal. Now we have everything we need to build this strategy. Let's review the trading rules all together. To enter a buy trade, we first need a valid buy signal, meaning the signal candle should close above the moving average line. We then need to make sure the signal candle does not fall within the range identified by the range identifier indicator. After that, we check the squeeze momentum indicator. If its histogram is positive, the buy signal in this strategy is confirmed. So we can open a buy order at the signal candle's close price. To manage risk and capital, we should set a stop loss for the trade by placing the stop loss order on the parabolic SAR dot. And to exit the trade with profit, we can target 2 times the stop loss amount as the buy trade target. And also, for entering a sell trade, we first require a valid sell signal where the signal candle closes below the moving average line. We then must ensure the signal candle does not fall within the range determined by the range identifier indicator. Afterwards, we examine the squeeze momentum indicator. If its histogram is negative, the sell signal in this strategy is confirmed. Therefore, we can open a sell order at the close price of the signal candle. To manage risk and capital, we should establish a stop loss for the trade by placing the stop loss order above the parabolic SAR dot. And to exit the trade with profit, we can aim for twice the stop loss amount as the sell trade target. But if you don't exactly know how you can profit from trading, then under no circumstances should you miss out on this suggested video.